Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. This afternoon, in today's, not today's, but in the weekend edition of the Saturday, May the 25th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, May the 26th, 2024. We have an additional for today, and 3 of those puzzles I've already solved in this additional, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left for this afternoon. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cypher block, in Japanese Suguru. In the evening, as promised, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Let me show you. It will take me more than an hour to solve the Samurai Sudoku. This is the Samurai Sudoku for this evening. But right now, let me continue with this one. Number 8604. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be the easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Only 1 single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. Cannot fill this yet, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Only 2 of those dual boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Yeah, here triple box here and there. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, here I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 4 and 5. Same for here. Cannot fill this yet. But the inside box always 4 or a 5. Here also 4 or a 5. The 1 is already given, so the other 2 should be 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Not true. We have 1 quadra box in the L shape. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box of the L shape is always a 5. Alright. Here I have 4 or a 5. We have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. My next strategy now is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 3 here. 2 and 3, but we already have a 2 here, so it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1 in this puzzle. Then my next shape is the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you mirror this, you will get the S. We have here the S construction. It's the same shape. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Here, the same shape, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Only one shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Upside down. We have an upside down L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. Let me see. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 3. The 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Alright. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Is connected with that box should be so 2 or a 3. Okay. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1. That box should be a 1. And 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 or 3. We have a 2 now. So this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. 2 or 3. We have a 3 now. So this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright. 2 or a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with a 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4, we have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then, let me see, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, Then. I think this box should be a 1. Because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely. 1. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box level 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Then these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this area, supposed to be here. I marked those two boxes earlier with 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be 5, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for number 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. And now, this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be 3, this box can be 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then I need a 2 here. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. This box is connected with that box, so we saw 1 and a 3. But we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 1, is connected with that box, so we saw 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. Alright, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box, oh wait, these two boxes can be 2, because we have a double 2 there. If you place 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Only place level 2 in this Z construction should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 2, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this Z constructions for number 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Almost finished. We need a 2 here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. 0 stars puzzle. Because for 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1 star. 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening. Yeah. In the evening with the Samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. Goal is to solve that puzzle within an hour. Until then, bye-bye for now and have a great and fantastic Sunday. See you then. Bye-bye.